Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Leo, and today we're going to be doing a teardown on the 1992 Yamaha Blaster. Just doing a time lapse of the teardown so we don't have to have a 3-hour long video of me tearing this thing down, but this should give you a pretty good idea of the process, or just the order of things, the way I did them, I guess. So at the end of this video, I am going to give you guys an update of where the project's at right now, just a few of the little things I've done while I'm waiting for parts to show up, and kind of show you some of the parts that I've received so far that I've ordered. You can see here we got everything stripped off of the frame, just down to the bare frame. We actually boxed up all the parts that we're going to wind up selling, and then we also boxed up all the parts that we're going to keep. I got to clean up everything a little bit more, but I got it all bagged up and labeled so I remember where it all goes once we're ready to reassemble the four-wheeler. That really helps in my opinion, especially if it's a long project. Then we boxed up all the parts to get sent off for powder coating, labeled them with what color each part's gonna be. We also stripped the covers off the side of the motor. The clutch cover, we actually decided to strip all of the paint off, and we polished it to give it a shiny polished aluminum finish. It actually turned out pretty good in the end. We went over it with steel wool, wire brushes, and some really fine grit sandpaper, and it really came out nice after we applied the polish. So here it is, all finished up and polished. Also, I ordered a full stainless steel nut and bolt kit for the motor from alloybolts.com. Looks to be a pretty good product from what I've seen so far, and it's labeled good. Also from HPM Motorsports, I ordered a complete Yamaha Blaster kit that comes with all these parts pictured here. Dress up the motor and the four-wheeler a little more. Also bought the billet oil pump cover from HPM Motorsports, which looks pretty nice on the polished clutch cover. All in all, I think this will be a good start to the project. I'm excited to see where it goes from here.